The front door window switch can be replaced without removing the door panel. While a lot of people will just try and pry it out, make it easier on yourself and remove the trim and door pull first. This will give you more space to get the mounting plate out and reduce the risk of breaking something. Use a trim removal tool and lift the armrest out from its mounts, red arrow. If it has never been removed before, it may be in there quite tight. It is just held in place by a series of clips. Next, use a trim removal tool and pry out the trim panel below the armrest. It is just held in by a series of clips as well. The forward part sits in a groove by the handle. It is best to start there when reinstalling it, red arrow. Use a T30 torque and remove the screw, red arrow. Using your trim removal tool, remove the small trim piece at the front of the handle and remove the T30 screw under the cap. Pull the handle, blue arrow, straight out. There is now a lot of room for flexibility between the mounting plate and the door panel, red arrow. Use a trim removal tool and lift the mounting plate up and out with the window switch attached to it. Lift the mounting plate and switch up to access the electrical connection. Press in on the small tab, red arrow, and separate the connection. You can now compress the 4 clips holding the switch to the mounting plate, red arrow, 2 shown. Installation is the reverse of removal. To teach the end positions, reinstall the door panel and start the vehicle. Pull the rocker switch until the window is fully closed. Pull the switch again, and the upper position is now stored. Now press the rocker switch down until the window is fully open. Press the switch down again, and the down position is stored. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.